Achieving a louder master is a common goal for music producers and engineers. A well-mastered track not only sounds great but also competes well in today's music landscape. Let's dive into the top 5 tips to help you achieve that desired loudness without compromising quality. Reducing the low end for clarity. Excessive low frequencies can eat up headroom and make the mix muddy. Apply high-pass filtering to remove unnecessary low-end rumble. Focus on the essential bass frequencies to maintain clarity. Fast compression for increased dynamic range. Compression helps even out the dynamic range, making quiet parts louder and loud parts more controlled. Use a fast attack time, around 1 to 10 milliseconds, to catch transients and a medium release time, around 50 to 100 milliseconds, to maintain punchiness. Clipping for loud masters. Clipping is a technique where you intentionally allow the audio signal to exceed its maximum level. It can add perceived loudness without causing distortion. Use a soft clipper plugin or a limiter with a soft knee to gently control peaks. Adjust the threshold to find the right balance between loudness and distortion. Light limiting for loudness. Limiters are essential tools for mastering. They prevent audio from exceeding a specified level, the ceiling. Opt for transparent limiters that maintain audio quality while controlling peaks. Set the ceiling to avoid harsh clipping. Mastering in context. Always listen to your master in the context of other commercial tracks. Use reference tracks to gauge loudness levels. Pay attention to perceived loudness rather than just peak levels. A well-balanced mix with controlled dynamics often sounds louder. Achieving a loud master is about finding the right balance. Use these tips as guidelines, but always trust your ears and make adjustments based on the specific material you're working with. Happy mastering! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.